In this exercise, you'll be working the primary step in the singer's breath, that diaphragmatic or abdominal breath. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, pelvis tilted under, knees unlocked, sternum nice and tall, shoulders down and back, and head resting weightlessly on your body. Take your thumbs and place them on your navel. Relax your palms down. You'll notice you created a triangle shape. When you inhale, feel that triangle move down and out as the diaphragmatic movement pushes all of those vital organs in your midsection down. You'll feel the sensation of that low diaphragmatic breath. As you exhale, the diaphragm will work to return to its natural resting place at the base of your ribcage. So that sensation will be up and in. Inhale, down and out. Exhale, up and in. If this mechanic feels very comfortable for you and natural, you can move on to the second step, which is feeling a sense of resistance in your low core, so that you don't simply allow the diaphragm to quickly return to its resting place, thereby losing all of the breath capacity that you got in that beautiful abdominal breath. The goal here is to inhale into that low abdomen and to meter the air as it's exiting your body, using the muscles in the low core. Remember, this is just the first step in a singer's breath, but it's the most primary and foundational one. So make sure you get all of these movements right. Once you feel comfortable with that movement and that mechanic, you can begin to associate the exhale with sound. And we do that by creating a gentle hissing sound at the level of the teeth. And when that's comfortable, you want to begin to associate the hissing sound with rhythm. So we begin this hissing exercise with a simple 4 count in and 4 count out, remembering to maintain that beautiful abdominal breath. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hiss, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hiss. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hiss. Once that feels easy, you can expand that hissing count to an 8 count. Inhale for 4, hiss for 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hiss, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hiss, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you want to make this exercise more challenging, you can certainly go slower. You can also add additional measures of counting. Try to consider adding those measures in logical musical meters. So for example, if you divide those counts out by 4, you'll always be comfortably training your breath to experience 4/4 time. Of course, you can always do it in 3 and have a similar experience with that compound meter in 3. But as we're doing this and training the breath, it's very important to remember that the ultimate goal is a musical expression. And the more we can tie the work that we're doing with our breath into that musical expression, the more practical this exercise becomes. And as a side note, feel free to use this exercise anytime you want to simply calm your autonomic nervous system. Controlling your breath helps you control your mind. Controlling your mind is the key to controlling your voice.